This call is now being recorded.
Yep. So, good afternoon, all. Once again, I'll just go ahead with the classes. I don't want to waste the time. Actually, we lost more valuable 13 minutes. So, guys, team, everyone, just make it very clear. Keep your mics on a mute so it will be audible for everyone. Okay. Now, coming to the highest placements. See, this is Manish here from Heist Placement Service Private Limited and Heist Digital Academy. I'm the CEO of this organization, and we have started our company on 2015. It's in a private limited company. This is what about the company is. Actually, we are into totally placements on IT, non-IT, core, banking, not all type of sectors, all of pan India. As of now, we are associated with 150 plus companies all over pan India. Okay, so now, now I'll explain you what is the part-time work. Okay, and how to do it. What are their commercials? Before that, everyone see, make your heart and mind very simple, very clear. For next 30 minutes, take these classes very personally, as this is not only useful for here. Once you go out of from high board after 3 months also, this will be very useful for your people. Okay, so now the thing is like, what is part-time work and how many hours to do it? Here, the part-time work is to do the postings job. See, here, as I said you, what is our business? See, we are into placements from 2015. Our major funda is to do a agreement with some company. It may be Accenture, Cognizant, Tech Mahindra, any good companies. We do the agreement with them. Okay. What is our agreement? If we give any manpower to that company, they pay us amount for each candidate after 30 days to 90 days. This is what the MOU agreement we do with the companies. Okay. So here, if we are giving any good candidate, if there is example, there is in a Java, there is in a Tech Mahindra company. Okay. They are looking for Java 1+ years developers. So what we do as a placement agency, we go to Tech Mahindra, we tell them that we have any 100+ best candidates with us who are looking for jobs, trained freshers and experience. So do you have, so we will be taking the MOU from the Tech Mahindra. They'll be paying us 10,000 to 1 lakh, depends upon the candidate to candidate for IT requirements. For non-IT requirements, they pay 1,000 to 10,000 rupees, depends upon a client to client. This is what the business we are doing now. Okay. So here, uh, we want you people to earn money in your part time. What is the time? What is your work? What is what? First thing is, see, every day, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we will be conducting a Zoom meeting sections. Okay. In that Zoom meeting, we will show you how to create a pic. Okay. What generally we do, we create a pic, like Heist Placement Service Private Limited, hiring for MNC company, Java 1+ years experience developers who are ready to join us on the spot. Salary 25,000 to 35,000 rupees. Location Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi. This is what will be the uh, uh, pick matter in the pick. Okay. So we have in a job description. So I hope you people all have seen the job descriptions when we posted in the groups.
So,
One
Yes, sir.
second. Yes, sir. No. Here in the chat box. Done. See, I have shared you one job description example, okay, in the message bar. So how we create a message part. Yes.
Hello, guys. So please just wait for a moment.
Example. See, here in your training group, everyone can open your WhatsApp group. In the training group, we have shared one message and a pic. This is what the actually message is, the matter where we post in the WhatsApp groups or our known networks. If it is an a pic, we create a pic in this matter. You can check out in your group, guys. Okay. So what we do in a pic, we mention for which company we are hiring for, highest logo, and we'll keep our requirements. It may be, if it is a one, only one. If it is in a 10 requirements, we'll simply keep the job description. And in the end of the pic, you can check out our recruiters numbers and our mail ID. This is what we do. Okay. So here, yeah. So here your work is to do the we will give you a pick. Okay. Job description. What today we are going to hire on Java developers for Tech Mahindra Bolke. Okay. So you people from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we have a trainer who will be giving your guidance on the postings work. So you will create a pick and you will add your mail ID. Everyone, tomorrow in the classes, we will show you how to create the social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and everything, as well as we will also show you how to create a pic. So from tomorrow, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, you people, everyone, daily, you'll create a one pic, depends upon the job description, what we are giving you, and you will post this requirement pic in Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, Twitter, and your known social media groups. I mean, like WhatsApp groups. So, once if you do this, you will be getting resumes to your mail IDs. Okay. So, here, now the work is started. See, every day, 1 hour you are doing the postings work, 2 to 3 o'clock, just post in the social media. That's it. Okay. Depends upon the mail ID which you are going to post in the pic. Okay. To that mail ID, people who have seen the jobs, they will send their resumes. Okay. This is the first step. Second step, whenever you are getting a resume, you will take an interview. See, here there is a two type of requirements. One is fresher requirement, the another one is experience requirement. If it is in a fresher requirement, you will check it out, is the resume is suitable for our job description. If yes, then you will call them and you will, if it is in a non-IT, you will take their about communication skills, you will explain them about the job description, are they interested to join this company or not. If yes, you will give that resume to the our HR. Okay, for all you people, we will give you one Google form where you can upload the resume and the mobile number, your mobile number and the candidate resume. So that resume will be included as your lead. Okay. So here for the non-IT, you will take the basic communication skills and you will check out are they suitable for our requirement, and then you will explain our requirement to the candidate. Then you will source that resume to our HR team. This is about non-IT freshers. If it is in a non-IT experience, okay, you will check their communication skills, experience certificate, and are they going to be with our company for a long time or not. If all these terms and conditions are done, then you will add this resume to our Google form. Next, coming to the IT freshers. See, whenever you are hiring for, whenever you are doing a posting, you will get lot of IT resumes in the market because there is 70 plus of BTech IT students who are looking for IT jobs. But coming to the reality, why they are till now free without any job? Because of any communication skills, because of a technical knowledge, because of lacking of corporate culture, and because of any stage fear or a resume fear. And fourth one is family background. Okay, so these are the absolutes which will be arrive in the freshers life to start the IT field. So whenever you see some IT resume uh, in your mail ID, you will call them and you will take their self introduction part which you have passed out. See, whenever you're keeping a job description, in the job description, we will clearly mention the passed out year. So passed out year, which domain we are looking for, trained freshers or without trained freshers, you'll check out that have they got trained or not, in which academy they got trained, you will check out their certification part, and basically 2 or 3 technical questions on their related domain. Okay, this is what the process. You take the interview for the IT freshers, and if they are well and good with all the communication skills, technical part, and they're comfortable with our company requirements and they're ready to join, upload their resume in our Google form. Our HR team will take care of a recruiting part. Next, IT experience. Make this point very important, everyone. See, experience IT positions. Whenever you are posting some experience IT requirements in the social media, you will be getting a lot of resumes. In that, how to filter? See, once you receive the see, we will post today like we required 5+ years experience Java developers for Genpact for Hyderabad location. Okay, so once we do that, we'll be getting a experience resumes. It may be fake, it may be without zero knowledge, it may be genuine resumes. Okay, and some are with fourth quality. Yes, they have a genuine experience. They long back they have joined some company with a degree or any gap also, but they don't have any communication skill. Okay, this is what happens in the fourth part, senior IT positions. Okay, so whenever you got in a senior IT resume from to your mail ID, you will take any interview, basic telephonic round. You will check first of all his communication skills, and according to his resume, you will ask him questions regarding his previous company experience. Then after, check his offer letters, relieving letters, pay slip, and experience letter. Third point. Fourth one, here if they are like everything is done, now fourth point you will explain them about your company requirements. See, we are hiring Java 5+ years experience candidates. We will give you 50% hike if you are ready to join in our company within next 15 days to 30 days. Do you have a notice period in your company? Okay, this is what the process to take the interview for the lateral positions. So now guys, very simple, I will explain you once again. Daily we will give you in your WhatsApp group, we will keep your one job description For that job description, you will copy and paste it within 2 seconds. You can create a pic. We will show you how to create a pic. You will post that pic in a social media. Okay, in the 1 hour. So whole day you will be getting a resumes whenever you're free. Hardly you will be getting 5 to 20 resumes in a day. Whenever you're free, check out the resumes. It is
in
suitable. Take a filter part and add that resume in a Google form. We will
so
give
in
you one
WhatsApp,
Google form,
also we can send.
not WhatsApp. See,
Okay.
for everyone, we will give you one Google form. In that Google form, your name, your mobile number, and for which company you are giving the resume and the resume. 4 categories will be there in that Google form. We will share you that Google form. Every day, if you are getting any suitable resume according to that company, you will take filter part with all the terms and conditions, whatever I said, and you will upload in that Google form. Every week, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, every week, Saturday and Sunday, we will give you the information regarding your resumes. Whatever, is it rejected? Is it selected? He got an what? How many rounds he have faced, and he got joined or not. All this information every week once we give you. This is what the process is. And coming to the commercials, see, if it is in a non-IT job, you are posting any teleperformance job like Google or VCC India or Genpact or Tech Mahindra, any non-IT requirement for BPO, banking, voice, non-voice, chat process. Okay, if your candidate got selected and joined in our organizations, if he completes his 30 days of time period, we will pay you 1,000 rupees. Okay. See, some companies will pay us from 30 days to 90 days, but that is not related to you. We will pay you once the candidate is completed his 30 days in that company. Straight away, we will pay you 1,000 rupees for the non-IT jobs. It may be a fresher or a experience. Second thing, for IT jobs, for freshers, we pay you 1,500 rupees for each closer. Okay. For experience, we pay you for each closer 5,000 rupees. Okay. So my suggestion, all you people are well educated, well qualified, you are very understandable, mature minds people are here in our team. I'll tell you very simple process. Don't go through the domestic non-voice non-IT jobs or IT fresher jobs. Just focus on IT lateral positions, only experience IT positions, because you people are getting 5,000 rupees on each position within span of 30 days. Okay. So now I'll tell you what again. The thing is like here, if you are doing this work for daily 1 hour, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, you're developing your social media things. Here we are going to show you tomorrow how to create a small pic in 2 seconds. Second, we will show you how to create accounts in Facebook, LinkedIn, Insta, Twitter, Naukri, Monster, Shine, every portals. Day by day, every day, 3 portals will show you, like that 9 portals you will be signing up in that portals. This is the first 3 days work. So because of this work, you're developing your social media knowledge, you're developing your skills. Okay. See, I have seen in my relation also, there is one person, she have done his BTech on 2017. She is looking for the job. She don't know she met me in the 2019. She don't know how to do the she don't know about Facebook. She don't know how to sign up the Facebook. Okay. Even though you are a Java developer, even though you are a BTech candidate, maybe you are from rural background, from villages. That is none of corporate companies thing. They required people with a social media knowledge also. What is Facebook? What it is doing? How to use the Facebook, LinkedIn. You know, people, LinkedIn nowadays, we all people are using very freely. It's like just like Facebook, you people are thinking. But before 10 years back, when would go for abroad companies, to work as an HR, they would give a LinkedIn account as a very prestigious account to the recruiters, because in a LinkedIn account, it is same like Facebook, but in LinkedIn account, there is only HRs, HR managers, CEOs, chairmen, CROs, COOs in that group. I mean LinkedIn. Okay. So here, because of this work, every day 2 to 3 o'clock, whatever you're going to do, you're also not only working for money, you're also generating your knowledge, which is very, very useful for your further career. First point. Second point, you will gain the knowledge on totally digital marketing. Guys, very see, in the digital marketing field, I'll tell you, if you're AngularJS or Java or PHP any another IT developer, you may not sit in your home and can't earn money. Okay, but if you have any good skill set in the digital marketing, yes, you can sit in your home, you can be your own entrepreneur and you can earn the money. That is what the digital marketing. You take one newly established company, prepare them a small WordPress website, which is going to take it hardly 6 to 7 hours, and you will develop that website in social media, so you are getting money. They'll pay you 20, 30, 40,000 per month if you are working daily 1 or 2 hours as a part-time. That is what the digital marketing. So because of these classes, second point is you are also getting good knowledge in digital marketing. Okay. And third one, uh, guys, if you are working as only a delivery boy, you will get a knowledge of a delivery boy, what we say, how to get the stock from the go down, how to keep delivery, how to handle the police, how to handle the team leader. This is what you will get to know. If you are working as a software engineer, you will open your system, you will go to the office, you'll work, and you'll weekends you'll just enjoy, you'll give your stress relief to your brain, and you'll take a rest on weekends, Sunday totally, and Saturday you'll enjoy. This is what a IT developer do. But if you're doing this work from 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, a postings work, daily you're going to post on different job posting. Today you'll post software, tomorrow delivery, next accountant, marketing, HR, backend department, administration, CEO, all the positions every day, day by day. So whenever we are giving you one job description in the 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock meeting, we will explain you about the job. Okay, so you are going to gain the knowledge, what is the jobs, what they are going to do, what is the salaries, how to take the interviews, and all the stuff. This is the third point, where you are getting the knowledge on all the jobs in India. Okay, from security to software. This is the third point. And fourth point, where I am Manish, I am very proudly saying that I am the CEO and founder of Heist Placement Service, because only one reason I'm very proud of myself, because we are providing a job for unemployed. We are providing a job for a needy guy who are looking for the job. In the same way, in the fourth point, you people are providing a job to the one job seeker who is looking for the job. That is what your job. If someone asks you what job you are doing, I'm saying I'm giving a job to others. So I'm feeling very happy. I'm feeling proud when I'm doing that work. That is what the satisfaction I have. And apart from that, even I'm earning a money. See, guys, fourth point is like, because of this, you are going to give jobs to very nearby people, even in your family members, relations, many people. They may have a good experience in IT, non-IT jobs. They may wondering for jobs. They don't know who is the right contact to do. But here, by seeing your postings and by seeing your WhatsApp status, they will be start calling you or messaging you what is what. They will do inquiry and they will get a job. If they are getting a job, and for every senior IT positions, you are getting 5,000 rupees in a after 30 days of completing his joining period. Guys, here very simple. There is no target. Nothing here. Monthly, if you are doing 10 jobs only, we'll pay you, or one job only. There is nothing like that. Just enjoy your time. Whoever interested to gain the knowledge, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, do the posting works. You will get the resumes according to that, filter that, and give to our HR team. If they got selected and if they got joined, we will pay you 5,000 rupees. Here, you people are learning the IT courses. See, it's just for part-time daily 1 hour postings, and in the mid of the day, just work for hardly 1 hour on the filtering the resumes. That's it. If you are working like this, target only one position in a 1 month. Guys, make it a note. Very, very important. Don't think that you'll give a 10, 15 or 20 jobs in a month. If it is there, yes, you are happy and we are also happy. But keep a target for one joining. If we are giving your PHP 2+ years experience requirement, post that requirement in all the social media. In 1 month, if you are getting one job, you are earning 5,000 rupees, which is valuable for you in this particular moment. You can give to your parent, or you can buy something for your needy things. And to do this part-time work, we are not charging single rupee from you for a giving a knowledge of social media or posting or interview process. We don't charge a single MP from you to teach this process. First thing, so you can happily join this thing, and there is no criteria of qualification or a languages. Any one language perfectly is enough to join this program. And third one, we are not, even you or me, we are not charging a single MP from the students who are going to apply jobs in a HICE portal. Or you, if they are applying with you for any jobs, you are not going to charge them. You are giving them a guidance, and you are taking their resume to the companies. Okay, so this is what the program is. From tomorrow, 2 o'clock, we'll start the thing. In the same, everyone stay in your groups. I mean, like, all the students are in single group, that is HICE training group. By today evening, we will give your Google form with a name, your mobile number, your name, and for which company you are hiring for, and a column to upload the resume. This is what the thing we will give you today by end of the day in the group. From tomorrow, everyone who are interested, join 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock Zoom meeting. I hope there is no classes going on in that particular time. It may be any IT or non-IT. If there is someone who are facing with a college or any personal issues, no worries, guys. Just dedicatedly spend for next 4 or 5 days. You will get to know all the things perfectly. What is hiring, how to do hiring, how to do the filtration part, how to talk, what to talk, everything. Next 4 to 5 days. Then after, you can work any time also. If someone are busy in that particular time, you can also work in 2 to 3 o'clock. So this is what the program is, guys. Now, whoever have a doubts on this, kindly raise your voice and you can ask the doubts. Go ahead, guys.
Sir, we have to take the interview, sir. You will take the interview, sir.
Yes, good question. See, what's your good name, buddy?
Sir, Vignesh, sir.
Vignesh. Very good. See, Vignesh, I'll tell you one thing. Here, you are keeping a posting, like a small job description in a social media with your mail ID. Everyone, today by end of the day, you create a mail ID like HICE Venkatesh@gmail.com, HICE Rajshekar @gmail.com, like that. Starting HICE name, next your name @gmail.com. So you are posting this mail ID in the social media with the job description. You are getting a resume. Okay. Whatever, I will share you this recording also once again in the group, or we will upload in our YouTube channel. So you will get to know once again all the clear points. See, interview is nothing. You are just verifying is that resume is suitable to our requirement or not. And whenever we are giving a requirement on that day, 2 o'clock to 3 o'clock, First of all, we will explain you about that requirement. What is that requirement? So whenever you are getting a resume, you will verify that if it is in a fresher, is in a good com skills and technical knowledge. If it is an experience, genuine experience or not, offer letters and technical part, you will verify and you will submit that resume in the Google form. So you are only taking the interviews here. Interview is nothing but you are verifying he is suitable or not. That's it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. And Vignesh. And next, any more doubts, guys?
Sir, is it compulsory to work?
No, there is any not compulsory. It's like it's your wish. If you're interested, you can work. If you're not interested, there is no need of working. And you can join first 3 or 4 classes. You can gain the knowledge, and you can work in your free time. See, I'll tell you example, guys. Make this point a very important note. There are some HRs and HR managers that are fed up by working morning 10 to 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock. See, Carvi HR manager, I've seen him, he went to office by sharp 10 to 10:15, and till morning 11 o'clock is there in the Carvi building. He would work. And after some years of experience, after 20 years of experience, he came out and he became a freelancer. He's not working for fixed salary. If he's working a salary, he's getting hardly 50,000 rupees in a month. But he is working as a freelancer for a reputed software company. If he is providing one candidate to that company, he is getting 50,000 rupees as a freelancer charges. Okay, so it's all depends if you are working in this stream. Okay, very soon you can create your own empire. You can be working as a freelancer. That is what a chance for your lifetime also. So, and one more thing, there is no any particular thing that you should pakka work this or do minimum number of joinings. Okay, this is just a part-time opportunity to you people to work and generate some knowledge and money. That's it.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Ram, please tell me.
Sir,
One more
what I heard so far, do we get the same on paper, sir? Just like as a part-timer, mentioning the same pay.
See, on the we will give you the freelancer agreement once you're done with one joining.
Okay, sir.
In that, see, for our freelancers, as of now, who are already experienced people, we are paying straight away 50% whatever we are getting from client. For senior positions, we are getting a 1 lakh. Minimum 10,000 to 1 lakh. So whatever we get, we pay them 50%. For you people, we have fixed 5,000 rupees. Whatever we get, it is none of a thing. We'll pay you 5,000 rupees because here we are giving a training. It takes lot of time. Hardly takes 15 to 20 days to you people to be in a like HR mindset. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, please tell me, Jaya.
Thank you for giving this opportunity to ask you a question.
Yeah.
Suppose, how do we know the candidate experience is genuine or fake?
Yes, very good. See, here two things are there. If it is an experience, you will ask them experience letter, offer letter, relieving letter, pay slips, and 16A document which they will get from the bank. See, if they are getting a salary in their bank, you can ask them straight away 16A document means the transaction like where they will be submitting this report to the chartered accounts. Okay.
Exactly.
So in the same way, if you are asking this 4 points, then and there they will only tell if it is in a fake, sir, I have a fake, I don't have a certificates. Whoever don't have a certificates, you tell them, sorry, sir, as of now, we don't have a requirement. We will call you later. That's it. If anyone are calling you with a fake experience or a backdoor job, smile, give a good smile for them and tell bye-bye. We don't do that. Take care. That's it. Next.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, hi, Manisha. I
Hi,
have a doubt,
Nalini.
like, myself, Anil. So, yeah, hi. So, in a month, suppose if we bring you like around 10 or like 12 resumes, and in that, if 4 or 5 got selected and completed the whole 1 month process in their companies, how would
Okay.
we get to know, like, in that 15 resumes, the 5 or 6
Very good
have been
question.
selected and completed their 1 month in their company,
Very good question.
and
See,
how we
here,
will be
I'll
getting
tell
the
you.
money? Like, is
Yes,
it
yes,
a transparent one, or like kind of?
yes, I'll tell you. See, note down this point. Whenever you are giving a candidate, create a Google sheet or a Excel sheet in your laptop. Or if there is no one, if anyone don't have a laptop, maintain a new book. Just go into market, take a new book with 25 rupees, and whenever you are giving a resumes to highs, note down their name, number, and for which company you are referring. That's it. Three things. Every 1 week, we will only give you the update. What is the selections, joinings, and rejected thing. Apart from this, every week Saturday, you sit down in your home, call these people, ask them have got selected or rejected, and have a good day. And you can also refer this my number or my mail ID to your friends who are looking for the jobs. You should do the cross verification on every week Saturday and Sunday. Even though we our HR person whom we are going to assign you, they will be updating you every week Saturday Sunday. Apart from this, you should maintain a relationship with the candidates. You should be in update with them. Are they going for interview or not? Because see, it's not a very minor game, buddy. They are 5 years, 6 years, 10 years experienced people. Okay, so once if you are giving a resumes, that is not your work is done. Okay, you should be in a touch with them. You should just verify what is the process going on. This is what the thing is. Okay, Anil.
Yeah,
Anil,
yeah,
hope you
got it.
got my
If
point.
there is any conflict, uh, yeah, yeah, I got your point. Like, if there is any conflict with the resumes, like if the same resume has been shared with couple of other guys
Yes.
and he got selected.
Yes. See, we will also give you that update in the response sheet regarding if it is in a double resume, if it is in a duplicate resume. See, from highs, we have in a 7 lakhs database, and day by day it is going to be increased. We are using a digital marketing. We have in a 8 departments like job portal, academy, placements team, and campus drives, and we are doing some many activities to get the resumes. And we have a freelancer board in India. Highest placements job portal is the first job portal where there is no consultancy postings in that post portal. Okay, directly only companies can do the postings, and we are the persons where we are giving a training opportunity also. And here in our portal, companies can register, and then they can post their requirements. They can get the job seekers can post their resume, and they can search for the jobs. This is all the Indian portals are doing. Apart from this, we have a one more unique thing, that is freelancer board. Okay, in our freelancer board, 100 plus people are working. All 10 to 35 years experience HRs are working as a freelancer for our highest placements. They all are senior HRs, HR managers. We have a freelancer board in our website, if you can see that. Okay, so we will be getting resumes from different panel. That's not mean that, but make sure that you are not giving a fake resumes. That is the only one thing we require. And if there is any duplicate of resume, we will update you in the resume response sheet itself.
Okay, thanks for
You're
clarifying.
welcome, Anil. Next, any more doubts, guys, girls, anyone?
Hello, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
How to receive my money, sir? How to receive salary money?
Which salary money?
It's a 5,000 and 6,000
Exactly.
money.
Yes. See, here what we do is you will have an every month status that this many people got joined. Once they complete the 30 days of time period, you will update for our accounts team. They will send your amount through account or Google Pay or Phone Pay. Here we are going to connect with your three teams. Guys, see here we are going to connect with you three teams. First is posting manager, that is Jayanti and Radhika will be taking care. Second thing is HR team who will be taking your resumes and taking care of filtering part and they'll give to the clients. And third team is accounts team. Every month, first to first, they'll verify how many joinings you have done, and if there is any candidate have completed 30 days, on the spot, we will raise the invoice and we will clear it out for you. Shamba Shiva, hope your doubt got cleared.
Yes, sir.
Very good. So guys, hope, is there any more doubts?
Sir?
Yes.
These jobs are all available in virtual or online, sir?
We have some jobs are online jobs, some are offline jobs. We have a both, but majorly if you're going through IT, it is totally work from home. It's going on, and we are associated with top MNC companies: Accenture, Cognizant, Dell, Deloitte, Wipro. You spell out the name, we have. And IVY Comtech in India, we are the only one vendor for that company, which company is paying 6,50,000 for freshers. And we are the vendor for Qualcomm, where it is paying 12,50,000 for the freshers. So all these companies are also working, it's looking for work from home only. Majorly 60+% of companies nowadays it's going through work from home online itself. And interviews, it depends 50-50 again. Interviews also, some are through online, some are through offline. Once you people do the filtering part, and if you submit us from there, we will take care of next process.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Manish, Jayanti here.
Hi Jayanti, and I was waiting for you. Chalo,
Yeah.
go ahead.
I was see, for IT, do we have any age criteria that we have to select only below this age or something else? Because
Jayanti, is it Jayanti from HICE or
no, HICE only.
HICE? Jayanti. Okay. See,
non-IT.
Yeah, non-IT team, HICE team, right?
Why I ask is because I have some more IT profiles. Today I have came across from yesterday and today I came across almost 4 to 5 profiles where they have received already getting 10 lakhs to 12 lakhs per annum. 4 of them have got. So I was just in a confusion, like they are almost 30.
Very simple in one line. This is a very good question. It will be useful for many of the people. See, if it is in a fresher, there is an age limit because freshers they'll be looking for 2018 to 2022. So make sure that you are taking care of the candidates only passed out year from 2018 to 2022. First thing, 90% of companies will do this only. There is some domestic companies also, they'll be hiring 2015, 16, 17 guys. Okay, this is the first thing for the freshers. Second thing, the experience. See, for experience, there is no age limit. They're eagerly, companies are like begging the manpower. Okay. If it is in a 10+ years experience, yes, the company required a 10+ years experience. Why they look for the age factor there? Okay. But it is more than 50. Then again, there is a clause. The increments will be stopped over there. So that's the reason above 50, they will not take. This is what the point is.
So 40 plus is acceptable as long as if they are convinced with the salary, right?
Yes, you're right. And even for company to company, there are some changes in that. You should just verify with the company also whenever you are getting a job description.
Okay, okay, sir.
Done. And Jayanti, I want you to talk for next 2 to 3 minutes regarding the IT process and how you are feeling in the highs and what is the recruiting process. The things I want to just please go ahead.
Like
So
you want
first
me
of
to talk
all,
about?
team, sorry, I want to introduce our HR, non-IT HR, Miss Jayanti. So she will give you her experience on hiring part on non-IT. That will be very useful for you guys. Yeah, go ahead, Jayanti.
Hi everyone, I am Jayanti. I'm the HR for Highs Placements. Recently joined 1 month back. Actually, I feel so good because I thought I would lose my career. See, I have totally 8 years of experience in multinational companies. I worked with Tata Consultancy, with HCL, and even Intelinet, Citibank. So almost I have 9 years of experience and 4 years of experience as a HR. So I just took a long gap. It was almost 3 years, and it was a long gap. So I thought my career would end right there. So there I got a best way where I can restart my career. It is a actually fabulous opportunity which I got. So I feel I feel very happy, and just 1 month back I have joined as a HR, and every day I used to face different uh, candidates, different issues. Like the thing is, when we call back, I mean, the data will be given by Manish every day, and we get a Facebook data. We get it as he discussed. We were discussing about this digital marketing. This was done earlier, but why this is most important is because through digital marketing there is a chance of recruitment with because there are so many job seekers like freshers and experience where we do not know. Even we extract the data from LinkedIn or Naukri or any other social media. Other than that, we have different kind of social medias where we can't even approach. So I hope Manish had given us a great opportunity, like either by growing ourselves and even for the company, uh, either not by earning money, it's different from earning money, but it's the growth of the company. If the company is growing, obviously we will also grow. That's really true. So this kind of recruitment, this digital marketing, I hope this is the best option. Just spending 1 hour of time and doing postings every day. Manish used to call me like asking me to do postings, but the thing was I was very busy with calling the candidates. Yeah, even I have telecallers, but still I personally call the candidates directly and arrange for the interview, sending the candidates to the interview, which I feel. But this kind of digital marketing, I hope this job is he is making our job to be so easy than earlier, calling the candidates continuously every day, doing 100 calls or 50 calls, how much ever. So he is decreasing the stress level of our calls, and I hope this is the best thing which I really appreciate. Thank you so much for Manish. You're actually reducing our workload, because this at least for spending 1 hour, we used to sit for 6 to 7 hours continuously for calling. Now I think work from home opportunity, you're just trying to reduce our workload by posting this the digital marketing. So we hope at least we can work only 4 to 5 hours. I hope so. So we continuously get calls. So we don't need to get tense whether the candidate is going or not, whether the candidate will call me or not, whether the candidate is going to join. And we used to get until the candidate joins and he completes 30 days or 90 days of time, we have to wait. So I really feel so good, and I am feeling that I have a great opportunity to earn money and also to the growth of the company also. So I want the same relationship to be maintained till I have anything. To whatever the energy levels I have, I want to maintain the same relationship with the company. Manish, thank you so much for the opportunity.
You're welcome, Jayanti. And see, here it's very day by day they will also get to know what is what. That will be beautiful. See, guys, here many people have a lot of different talents. Okay, here if you're working on something, you can't be ideal and you can improve your knowledge. Okay, and that is with results. Then you should absolutely you can go ahead. Okay, and next I invite Rashmita. Are you there? May I know who's there from Highs team? Anyone more from Highs?
From the
Okay,
HR team,
guys.
Manish.
Yeah, from HR team, no issues, bro. That's enough for the day. Even they are packed up from last
Okay.
45 minutes. Let them take a rest. So, team, whoever seriously interested, from tomorrow we are going to start the classes regarding the postings. 2 to 3 o'clock, you can join. Okay. So, everyone, take care, guys. Have a good day. See you tomorrow. Have a good enjoyment with your classes.
Yeah,
Bye
Manish,
bye.
one last question.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Please go ahead,
One last
Archana.
question, Manish.
Yeah, Anil.
Uh, sorry. Uh, so, like, are we hiring internationally or only for Indian profiles?
As of now, we are associated with Africa, Australia, US companies also. That abroad companies they are paying in for 1 day of joining, Baba, 1 to 5 lakhs. So I'm just started working for them. So we have an abroad companies also.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay. Just one of my friend is looking out for Salesforce profile in US actually from
Super.
here.
Then
So
it
that's
will be
why
a good
I just
chance.
want to confirm.
Yeah, yeah. We have any good connects over there
Yes.
also. If you have any candidates who are going to shift there with good certified things, see here whatever the best we can do, we are doing for the youth. Okay, to develop as an IT thing and everything. Okay. Apart from that, for the placements also, we'll do our best. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yeah.
yeah.
Thanks, sir.
Any more doubts? Okay, team. Have a good day. Take care. Enjoy the meeting and your further classes. Go ahead, guys. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank
Host,
you,
you can
Manish.
just end the meeting.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for supporting.
Thank you.
Yeah.